I just received a box of tools that I ordered from TSO. Let's take a look and see what I got. I robbed my quick adapters from my 50s and realized immediately that I was going to keep them on this narrow rip set. So I needed to get another set for my longs. So that accounts for this whole order. I went online and grabbed these, but while I was there at TSO, I also realized that I wanted another pair, a left and a right stop, because a set of my stops on my large ones are the very first version, because again, my stuff goes back quite a few years, and they have the V2s, and both of these are the V2s. So I went ahead and said, I've been wanting to update those now, especially that I'm going to be using this set full time. Why 6 power locks? Well, when I'm completely set up, both benches and all accessories, I have 20 of these in use. 6 of my power locks were the early versions. What about these hedgehogs? I got a pair of the full-size ones, and I got the minis. This was a tool that I've been looking at. I watched a couple of other videos, and I really liked their design. I saw that they actually stocked this, so I tossed a couple of the full-size ones. I'm going to use these on my table saw and particularly on my router. I'm going to see how they work. The mini hedgehogs, and they do the same thing, except these are designed to work on the fence, so in the T-track on the fence on the router, and possibly on the table saw too. I particularly got these for my router table, and if I like them, then I'm going to get another pair because I use 2 routers. This is not a tool review video or an unboxing video. This was in the Smart Woodshop, seeing things that I got to kind of fill in some holes that I had, so tools that I've already reviewed, you see me use all the time. I just had a need and picked up some additional ones. And then picking these up because I have been thinking and looking into them, and I want to give them a try. So I will do a review on these after I've used them for a while and see what I think, if I like them. If I don't, you won't hear anything. If you enjoy this kind of video and you'd like to see more of them, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified whenever I put up a new video. If you'd like to get a set of plans to build a smart woodshop, a smart station, a smart bench, or any of the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of the video down below. Mahalo.